Hi everyone, Miss Sharkey here. I am going to teach you how to open, edit, and submit an assignment onto Schoology. So to start, you need to be on Schoology and on your teacher's class page. So if I am not your teacher, the page will not look exactly like this, but it will still have the buttons for the day. So if your teacher tells you to click on the Thursday button to get there, you're going to click on your Thursday button. Then you're going to go into the folder, and in the folder will be your assignment. So for this video, I made a practice one. So I'm going to click on that. And once I get here, there's not really much I can do. I just see a description and it says assignment. So on the right of assignment, there's a button that says My Document. When you put your mouse over it, it'll become light blue. So you want to click on My Document. So in order to do this, you're going to need to hit Edit. So the Edit button is the one on the far right. That's the light blue. You'll click Edit, and it'll bring you to the PowerPoint. If you click right down here, it is ready for you to type in. So in this example, this how-to is saying to type your name and your favorite food. So I'm going to type in Miss Sharkey, and I'm going to go down and type in my favorite food, which is cookies. So now that I've finished my assignment, I need to go to the top up here and click that X. If I don't click this X, then it's not going to upload your assignment. So you need to make sure you click this. So I'm clicking that X, and it's going to bring me back here. It might look like you didn't do any work, but when you hit Submit Assignment and you hit Yes, Submit, so this button here on the left, you'll get this little rocket ship with blue, and you're going to hit Done. Now, if you look, you can see that your assignment with your work is posted on your Schoology, and that way your teacher can see your work. So that's exactly how you will submit an assignment on Schoology and work on that. I hope this helped.